10 must-have motorcycle accessories for every rider. Which accessories are most important for you as a bike rider? Your helmet, of course, that is legally important, but what more? Honestly, the items in this list are no real must-haves. You can live without them perfectly, but again, these items are also low cost and will make your life so much easier. I bet you there will be at least one item in this list you're going to buy, and after using it on 2 trips, you don't want to live without them anymore. Let us know in the comments which one you're most keen on getting. But first, check out the full video to get all the inspiration. You're watching this video on our channel Bikers Express, so there's a surety that you're going to enjoy this video and also learn some unknown information. Grips. Few people know that grips can significantly reduce the vibration of bike handlebars. If you find vibrating grips annoying, you can purchase Trip Machine grips, which are made of genuine leather and come in various colors. Handle color apps reduce vibration and make your bike stand out from the crowd. What could be the next one? Well, let's see. USB charger. While most of the latest motorcycles, even budget and entry-level models, come with one or more USB ports to power your mobile device, the same can't be said for vintage models. This small, affordable device plugs directly into the bike's battery cable, providing any motorcycle with a USB charging port. These gadgets let you charge your smartphone or tablet and power your motorcycle's GPS device, action camera, or communication system. And while it doesn't have an official anti-theft rating, the charging port has an associated removable cover that protects its electrical components. However, this product also requires an SAE battery tender, quick disconnect cable, even if it's only $5 or $6. A GPS navigator. There's no need to worry about long trips, especially if you're traveling alone, as it's so easy to get lost when exploring a new country. That alone is enough to completely change your vehicle and take your experience to a new world. This is an excellent financial investment as it will protect you safely from risks along the way by showing you where to go clearly and straightforwardly. Most riders we know will no doubt argue that a good GPS is quite expensive, but it's worth every dollar. Do you have a GPS already? And you can't live without it anymore? Well, I guess that means we won the bet at the beginning of the video, so now you have to subscribe to our channel. But seriously, you should subscribe. There's so much more relevant content for riders on here. Helmet light. Another technology that makes you ride a lot safer is attaching a small brake light to the back of your helmet, making it much more transparent for everyone while riding. When it's dark at night and in heavy traffic, most people find it difficult to see the brake light attached to their motorcycle. However, thanks to this hassle-free brake light, everyone is sure to find one by now. It's a small investment for all its benefits, and it will significantly improve your driving safety, especially when driving in high-traffic areas. The primary use of these lights is when driving at night. The powerful LED light ensures that cars and motorbikes can see you clearly on the road. Sometimes your bicycle's tail light might not work, and the car behind you may miss you. But with a light on this helmet, this can be avoided. Also, visibility is poor in fogging conditions, even if your tail lights are working. This light will protect you against other vehicles, and from here we move on to an item to protect you from noises. Ear protection. When you ride a bicycle, you expose yourself to various sounds. The noise your safety helmet makes while riding in the air, high winds, road noise, or engine noise can permanently damage your hearing. Hearing damage can also occur in just one trip. Earplugs effectively reduce your exposure to direct noise to safe and comfortable levels. They're designed to protect your hearing from high winds or too much road or machine noise. Earplugs are often easy to put on and usually fit easily under your hard hat. A motorcycle phone mount. Yes, we know it's dangerous to look at your phone while driving. We also know that motorcycling is a great way to get away from the devices that now rule our lives, but bear with me for a little bit. There are many reasons why a quality motorcycle phone mount makes sense. For starters, motorcycle phone mounts provide a quick and secure place to store your phone while you're on the road. Most cell phones these days fill your back pocket, and as you may already know, they stick out when you're on your motorcycle. So, to avoid the risk of your expensive device slipping on the asphalt at 100 kilometers an hour, you need an alternative storage solution. Of course, you can put your phone in your jacket pocket, but that means fighting the zipper with gloves on or removing your gloves to access the phone. You can reach it without fumbling with the phone hanging from the handlebars. An additional benefit of this one is that you can use it for navigation as well. Motorcycle slide stand foot. We've all parked our bikes on a surface that makes us a little nervous, whether it's grass, loose soil, or rough asphalt. Like me, it'll give you that feeling of discomfort throughout the day. Fear that you're going to return to your beloved horse and find it lying on its side. At such moments, side support legs are indispensable. Is it a 100-pound heeled person or a 6,000-pound elephant? Well, the most likely answer is men in high heels. The larger surface area creates less pressure on the ground. We hope you like rain, but not when riding a bike, right? So let's see the next one. Rain guards. Rain covers are inexpensive accessories that make a world of difference in the comfort you feel while driving. If you've ever been out on a rainy day without them, you know how annoying the water running down your feet can be. They'll not only save you from discomfort and annoyance, but will also drain water from your feet and make your boots much cleaner. They are a great option for short and long trips and are easy to attach to your bike. You can find these at motorcycle accessory stores or online for around $10 to $20. When shopping for rain gear, pay attention to the type of boots you wear so you can get the best fit. Most come in a variety of sizes and have a few different adjustments to ensure a perfect fit. But really, who's riding in the rain anyway? Yeah, I'm looking at you good weather enthusiast. Let's look at something that's relevant to all of us. A tracker. A tracking device is a must-have accessory if you've ever wondered how to find your stolen motorcycle. There are various devices you can use to track your bike. Some will let you know if someone tampered with the engine. Others will have an app that will tell you if your bike's been moved, and still others will even give you the GPS coordinates of where your bike was parked. While many people think of this device as something only law enforcement officers use, it's actually relatively easy to find. Some tracking devices are even available as add-ons that you can plug into your existing security system. We're almost at the end of this video, but one last item can't be left out of this list. Lock and alarm. Motorcycle theft is a real problem for many drivers. Locks and alarm systems can help protect your bike from theft. Some designs allow you to lock the front and rear tires, while other systems only allow you to lock the wheels. Some sensors can be placed near your bike that will alert you if someone tampers with your engine. This is useful when you're not on a bike and want to see if anyone has tried to pick it up. This can also be a great way to keep an eye on your bike if you have young children who might be tempted to try to ride it. Unfortunately, many bike locks can be cut, so you might have to find other ways to increase your bike's security. And with those security items, we came to the end of today's trip. We're sure there must have been at least 2 items on this list you'll consider buying when your next paycheck comes in. If so, subscribe to the channel. You'll find more inspiration there. And by the way, no paycheck needed for a YouTube subscription. And yeah, as long as I can get on a bike, I will ride. See you later.